the way it's advertised, it's machine gun America.
The top quality POV you're building there, isn't it?
Yeah, back seat. Yeah, here we go on Kraken. It used to be one of my top coasters, this. What? Huh?
Used to be one of your top coasters.
Yeah, yeah.
No, I have to say about that, didn't you?
Basic. Not basic. Oh, there's my favourite coaster in Orlando at the moment.
It won't be later on.
Over there. Can you see if icebreaker's going round? He better open up. But we might come back here Saturday morning before we fly back to the UK. Here we go. Kraken in. Well good. Saying that, I don't see Mako go round either.
No, it went round.
Oh, did it go round? I didn't say it.
It was dueling with this.
Dueling.